all is set for the Democracy Cup so Wednesday Nkran Accra Sports Stadium. The official for the game, the GFA for a sanction, and the organizers of the tournament, and I say organizers of the cup match, a cup match. Eddie Abetuja say referee Juliet appear on the screen. So referee Juliet appear. I say Zungu tournament, intertribal tournament, and inter-community tournament, ekoso ewu Kumase no mpanyinfo taafre no ema ne bedi we one of matches okodi ye ene eda screen no so no next week Kotoko ene Accra House of Folk a game no eba so ewo Nkran ti say the gate face no eda screen no so no enchemesa de amount na this time around referee appointing is okodi game no referee Juliet appear ne assistant referees ni nyina nso ma beautifully sana mpanyifo aye nhyehyeye no we tamana oye training course ewo abrochire ahanso tamana odi intertribal community gala ekoso aboabo middle B ewo aboabo number 2 no eno na ohune screen so no na this particular game eba so no yensanka kaya ho say between Kotoko ne Accra House of Folk no wa obewi ni game we no obeko USA akobo DC United. Yes, let's lay that emphasis on it. Legendary Opokunti akasafa game we ho amede ho nsem ebebro. Game no a game ebeye de papa. League no ebe we in about 1 month cra. Ya fit Ghana Premier League no. Regular no 20 Ghana cedis. Let's just say pool side by side near the no. And a VIP no 50 Ghana cedis. VVIP no 100 Ghana cedis. Accra Sports Stadium. And a game no basso between Krobia Sante Kotoko Metema and Accra so for this year 2024 games are Kotoko ne has abunina Kotoko a winning against Accra House of Folk. Yes, Mobekaya. The first leg no Kumase, which was Accra House of Folk home. Kotoko Eshe Accra House of Folk 3-2 Babayara Sports Stadium. And a second leg Mukwala Bo 2 goals. Emma Kotoko share 2-0 recently and Chaya Kra. So this is the third game of the year. Kotoko be 3/3 and as it has be no matter amana be 2-1 this year. A Wednesday and a 6 p.m. Yes, and a game in so yeah, hope is a referee benya a very good game. It was at this particular game at so Democracy Cup 6 p.m. 6 p.m. game no. Well, maybe na him say committee see into be more game 6 p.m. but a 6 sanity.